Hello, it's June 24 and this is Vlog 13. I am Dr. Zero Melia, firefighter, physician, and writer. Today, however, we have a tech that just came by mail 2 days ago. This is the Chuwi Ubook Pro M3 edition. It's twice as expensive from the previous Ubook Pro, but it's twice cheaper than its Windows 2 and then its other Windows 2-in-1 tablet competitors. But I don't really care about the price because if you've been following me on YouTube, you know that it's already been more than a year since I had a laptop. That laptop was an HP Beats Pavilion that I got from the US at only $300. Unfortunately, when I brought it back here in the Philippines, problems started to sprout. The touchscreen was gone, the keyboard started to malfunction, and then finally the power source just gave out. It overheat daily, leaving me with almost no work done. When the 2-in-1s were introduced, I was geared towards buying the Microsoft Surface Pro. I never did get the Surface Pro because the price never got cheap. Now that I have finally got a good wealth of savings, I was introduced to this Chuwi. Of course, it's a funny brand name, and I almost thought that it's an inferior brand. But then YouTubers and other tech reviewers reviewed the previous Ubook Pro. They honestly think that this brand can compete with the Surface Pro. So when the Chuwi came up with the new version, I was immediately bought because the new version was twice as fast. It's a bigger tablet. It's a faster laptop, but with the price of 30,000 pesos, they had to sacrifice a few things. The first thing that they sacrificed for designing a cheaper laptop was the camera. The cameras are only 2 megapixels in the front and 5 megapixels in the back. As a YouTuber, I don't really care because I'd rather buy a Canon EOS or just stick with my smartphone A80 because it records 4K videos even when it's rotated to face me. The downside is the audio. I have never really relied on laptop internal speakers for audio. I always used external speakers or headsets because I need more power or I need more acoustics, so I don't really care about the speakers. The last downside is the GPU. So as other YouTubers put it, I can't play new games, but this thing has a 3D engine and I can play old games. That's why I'm downloading Diablo, and also I'm also playing Ragnarok and Eternal Love. It so happens that I'm still into old games, so that's okay with me. I'd probably buy a gaming PC if I want to play on Steam or any other full PC versions that requires heavy hardware graphics. I can't rely on tablets to play those games, so this tablet is supposedly a workstation. I have been doing some video editing with it. Tried to do some video editing with it and it works. I'm still into my subscription with the Google Android OS. I don't know if I could transfer Cyberlink Powerdirector from my Google account to the PC account, but it so happens that I don't want to pay twice. So I did try and it works. It can edit videos. What do you think about this unboxing video and this review video? I don't do these types of videos, so bear with me. But I welcome the change. If you like this video, click the thumbs up sign. And if you find it in your heart, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell also for notifications. If you have questions or suggestions, write them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. As always, this is Zero MD. Peace out.